Do you want the most effective cleaning team you'll ever have? You need Merlin Connect. It's cleaning delivered with intelligence, driving operational excellence and enhancing compliance. Merlin Connect gives you total visibility, using data and intelligence to maximize productivity. Empowering frontline heroes with clarity and evidence of their amazing outputs. But what does that really mean? It means a single home for all your data sources, integrating with powerful technology, including AI and robotics. It means analysts using data-driven insight to enhance your service, empowering you to reduce costs, improve productivity, and operate more efficiently, enhancing experiences for people, driving sustainability to protect the planet, and saving money for your organization. It's true demand-led cleaning. It's the most effective cleaning team you'll ever have. It's cleaning delivered with intelligence. It's Merlin Connect.